Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English, the fun podcast to help you learn English with real, easy conversations. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend. It really helps the channel, and it helps you keep learning English every week.
Yeah, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new episodes. And if you like this topic, you can also share it in your group chats. Today we have a fun topic. We are talking about favorite drinks.
Favorite drink is a great topic because everyone drinks something every single day. Coffee, tea, juice, water, soda, or something strange that no one understands.
I feel personally attacked already. I know you're talking about my weird drinks.
Of course I am. You always drink something strange. Green things, brown things, things with seeds in the cup. There is always a surprise in your glass.
It's called Health Mia. It's called Taking Care of My Body. It's not a horror movie, it's a smoothie.
We will talk about your smoothies later. First, let's explain some useful English phrases. When we talk about drinks, we often say, "What's your favorite drink?" That is a very simple and very common question.
You can also ask, what do you like to drink? Or what do you usually drink? Usually means most of the time, your normal habit.
Exactly. So if someone asks you, "What do you usually drink in the morning?" You can say something like, "I usually drink coffee," or "I usually drink tea," or "I usually drink water," if you are a very healthy and very strong person.
Or if you are still asleep and don't understand what is happening in life, like me before 10 a.m. So Mia, first question, what is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is iced coffee, cold coffee, with ice. Sometimes with milk, sometimes with sugar, sometimes with both, sometimes with too much of both.
Iced coffee, okay. Not hot coffee?
Hot coffee is good, but iced coffee is my true love. On a hot day, it feels amazing. You know that first sip, when the cold drink hits your brain and you suddenly understand the meaning of life?
The meaning of life is caffeine.
Exactly. Caffeine and ice cubes. So my favorite drink is iced coffee. But that's my favorite. My usual drink is water.
Same for me. I think for many people, your favorite drink and your usual drink are not always the same. Favorite drink is what you love. Usual drink is what you actually drink every day.
Yes. If I drink iced coffee all day, every day, I will probably start vibrating like a phone on the table.
I drink a lot of water, too. But my favorite drink is different. My favorite drink is actually green tea.
Green tea? That's not too weird. I thought you would say something like fermented blueberry broccoli juice with extra spinach and sadness?
Okay, I do drink green smoothies sometimes. But my number one favorite drink is green tea. I like it hot, with no sugar, simple.
This is a good expression, with no sugar. You can say, "I like my tea with sugar," or "I like my tea with no sugar." You can also say, "without sugar," "with milk," "without milk." Easy and very useful.
You can also say things like, I like my coffee black. That means coffee with no milk, no cream, just coffee, black coffee.
So Leah likes green tea, hot, without sugar. That sounds healthy and calm.
Yes, it feels calm. When I drink green tea, I feel like a wise person in a quiet mountain temple. When I drink coffee, I feel like a raccoon that just found free Wi-Fi.
So in English, we can say, "My favorite drink is," for example, "My favorite drink is iced coffee." And we can also use, "I'm a big fan of." For example, "I'm a big fan of iced coffee."
Another nice phrase is, I'm really into. For example, I'm really into green tea. That means I like it a lot.
Let's talk about times of day. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. What do you usually drink in the morning, Leo?
In the morning, I usually drink water first, then green tea. If I'm very tired, I also drink coffee, but not every day.
So we can say, in the morning, I usually drink. Very simple grammar and very natural English. For me, in the morning, I usually drink a big glass of water, then coffee. Not iced coffee, normal hot coffee.
Then in the afternoon,
In the afternoon, I like iced coffee, or maybe iced tea, especially in summer. If it's cold outside, I drink hot chocolate.
good. Another type of drink, hot chocolate. It's sweet with milk and chocolate, usually no caffeine, and it feels comforting. What about at night?
At night, I try to drink only water. If I drink coffee at night, I will not sleep. My brain will say, let's think about everything you did in your life since you were 5.
I understand that feeling. At night, I usually drink herbal tea. Herbal tea is tea with herbs like chamomile or mint, and usually no caffeine.
In English, you can say, I usually drink, or I sometimes drink, or I never drink. For example, I never drink coffee at night.
Or I sometimes drink juice in the morning, or I usually drink water with my meals. Meals means breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Let's talk about water for a moment. Water is simple, but we have useful vocabulary. You can say still water or sparkling water. Still water is normal, no gas. Sparkling water has bubbles.
And we also say tap water for water from the sink and bottled water for water from a bottle.
So Leo, do you prefer still water or sparkling water?
I prefer still water. Sparkling water feels like my water is judging me.
It's like, I am the fun water, you are boring. I actually like sparkling water, especially with lemon.
Good example. With lemon, you can say water with lemon, tea with honey, coffee with milk, juice with ice.
Okay, now we have to talk about your smoothies, because I know they are part of your drink life.
Fine. I like smoothies. A smoothie is a thick drink made from fruit or vegetables, usually mixed in a blender. You can add banana, berries, yogurt, milk, water, spinach, many things.
The first time I saw your smoothie, I thought it was a science experiment. It was green, and it had little seeds inside.
That was a normal green smoothie. It had banana, spinach, chia seeds, and almond milk.
Exactly, not normal. So how do you describe your favorite smoothie in English?
I can say, my favorite smoothie is a green smoothie with banana, spinach, and almond milk. Or, more general, I like fruit smoothies, especially with berries and banana.
So your favorite drink is green tea, but your favorite healthy drink is smoothies, right?
Yes, we can say that. My favorite drink is green tea, but my favorite healthy drink is a green smoothie. What about you? Do you have a favorite unhealthy drink?
Yes, of course. My favorite unhealthy drink is soda, especially cola. I try not to drink it every day, but sometimes I really want it.
Many people like soda. Soda is a sweet, fizzy drink with a lot of sugar. You can say, I drink soda sometimes, or I don't drink soda very often.
This is a good expression, not very often. It means sometimes, but not many times. For example, I like soda, but I don't drink it very often.
Or I love iced coffee, but I don't drink it very often in winter because it's too cold.
Let's talk about size. In English, at a cafe, you often say small, medium, or large. For example, can I have a small coffee? Or I'll have a large iced tea.
Yes, these are common words in cafes. You can also say, I'll take or I'd like. For example, I'd like a medium green tea, please.
Or I'll take a large iced coffee with milk, please. Very useful when you travel.
Mia, where do you usually drink your favorite drink?
I usually drink my iced coffee at home or at a cafe. At home, I make it myself. At a cafe, someone makes it for me, and it tastes better. I don't know why.
Maybe because you don't do the work.
True. And where do you usually drink your green tea?
I usually drink green tea at home. When I work or study, it helps me concentrate.
Another good phrase, it helps me concentrate. That means it helps you focus.
Drinks can also be part of your routine. For example, my morning routine is I wake up, I drink water, I make coffee, and I check my phone.
Or part of my study routine is drinking tea. Some people always drink something when they study or work. It's like a little ritual.
Talking about rituals, I have a question. Do you have a comfort drink? A drink you like when you feel tired or sad?
Yes. Hot chocolate is my comfort drink. When I feel stressed or sad, I like to drink hot chocolate. It feels warm and safe.
For me, my comfort drink is lemon ginger tea with honey. When I feel sick or have a cold, I like that.
So we can say, my comfort drink is, or when I feel sick, I usually drink.
Another useful expression is go-to drink. Your go-to drink is the drink you choose most of the time, your safe option.
For example, my go-to drink at a cafe is iced coffee with milk. And for you?
My go-to drink at a cafe is green tea, or sometimes a latte. A latte is coffee with a lot of milk.
Speaking of cafes, we can also talk about how we order drinks. For example, can I have an iced coffee? Or, could I get a green tea, please?
You can also say, for example, I'll have an orange juice. These are all polite and natural.
Okay, let's share one more thing. A weird drink story. Do you have a strange drink from your past?
Yes. When I was younger, I tried to make my own energy drink at home. I mixed coffee, orange juice, and soda.
That is a crime.
It was terrible. I took one sip and my mouth said no. Absolutely no. What about you?
When I was a kid, I mixed all the drinks at a birthday party. Cola, orange soda, apple juice, and a little milk.
You added milk?
I was 8. My brain was not complete. It looked like a science experiment, and it tasted like regret.
In English, you can say it tasted terrible, or it tasted awful, or like Mia said, it tasted like regret, which is funny, but you can use it with friends.
We can also say, I took one sip. A sip is a small drink, a small amount. I took one sip of that mix and I wanted to cry.
So today we talked about favorite drinks, usual drinks, healthy drinks, and some horrible drinks. But all of this gives you useful English to talk about your daily life.
You can practice by talking about your own favorite drink. For example, my favorite drink is, in the morning, I usually drink. My go-to drink at a cafe is...
You can also talk about frequency, how often you drink something. I always drink water with meals. I usually drink coffee in the morning. I sometimes drink soda. I never drink alcohol, for example.
Think about your day. Morning, afternoon, evening. What do you drink at each time? That is a good way to practice.
And remember vocabulary like coffee, tea, green tea, herbal tea, hot chocolate, juice, smoothie, soda, still water, sparkling water.
Also useful phrases, with sugar, without sugar, with ice, with milk, without milk, and expressions like I'm a big fan of, I'm really into, my comfort drink is, my go-to drink is.
If you want, you can write about your favorite drink in English and share it with a friend, or just say it out loud to yourself. Use simple sentences. Simple is good.
Before we go, tell us in the comments, What is your favorite drink? And what do you usually drink in the morning? Use English. We read your comments and we love to see your sentences.
And if this episode helped you, remember to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with someone who is learning English too.
It really supports the channel and helps us make more fun, easy English podcasts for you.
Thanks for listening and spending time with us today.
See you in the next episode of Pop Off English.
Bye for now.
Bye.